Their shoulders kind of round forward and that causes this pinching at the front. It's going to teach you to be able to engage your rotator cuff muscles to bring your shoulders back. Hey guys, this is Lawrence from Oasis Physio, and today we're going to go through some shoulder stability work. So a common issue that I get when patients come in is they complain of pinching in the shoulder when they do overhead press movements or they do kind of benching movements, okay? Usually this is due to a mismatch in the coordination of the muscles of your shoulder. A lot of people, when they do these movements, their shoulders kind of round forward and that causes this pinching at the front. So the posture you want to be in when you do these movements is retracted, okay? And this will allow you to get this range of motion. And the easiest way to do that is to strengthen your rotator cuff muscles. So your rotator cuff muscles are all the muscles in the back of the shoulder that connect your shoulder blade to the actual arm bone. And this is a very advanced exercise that I prescribe to patients when they're ready. This will teach you to coordinate the rotator cuff muscles to switch on as you're doing an overhead press movement. Okay, so for this exercise, all you're gonna need is a band, okay? If not, if you're at the gym, you can do it with the cable machine. It's exactly the same setup. So you wanna just tie the band to something solid so it doesn't come off and hit you in the face. And similar to the other exercise that we've prescribed, you can find that linked here. This is gonna work on the stability, okay? So all you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the band and you're just gonna bring it in line with your ear. I'm just trying to line it up with the camera. And all you're gonna do is practice overhead pressing. Okay, and again, like the other exercise, the goal is to keep it in line with your ear as you come up and down. So common mistakes people do is their rotator cuffs switch off, so they end up pressing forward like this, and again, that's going to cause that pinching at the front. This exercise is going to teach you to be able to engage your rotator cuff muscles to bring your shoulders back in order to perform a smooth overhead movement. So again, very difficult exercise. You don't need that much weight and it's technique based. So we're going for slow and controlled and keeping it in line with the ear. So let's change the angle a little bit and see what it looks like from the back. Okay, so here's the back view of that exercise and you will see that my shoulders engage as I do this movement. So again, bring it in line with the ear and overhead pressing as much as you can. So this is a very difficult exercise. You don't need to do that many reps to feel the engagement of the rotator cuff muscles. So I like to do this as a warm-up just to kind of pre-activate my muscles before I start doing any pressing movement, just to bring my shoulders back as I do pressing overhead or straight forward. So give that a go next time you're in the gym. It will take a little bit of time to build up that strength and coordination, but it will definitely save you a lot of injuries in the future.